What do you think that we can make with this small bottle of tequila and fucking grapefruit juice? Think about it.
Welcome to Cotton Man Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Dan. That's Dan. That's Ian. There's two Dans here. We're making a cocktail. This is called the Paloma. Paloma?
Paloma.
Dan's already had one of these today.
I did have one of these at the Mexican restaurant.
See? You went to a Mexican restaurant?
I did.
That's nice.
Fantastic.
The recipe for this, I'm going to see if I can get all the information down because chaos happens really fast.
Yeah, because it's a really hard recipe.
Right, so it's 2 ounces, shut up. It's 2 ounces of Blanco tequila, ½ ounce of fresh lime juice, 6 ounces of grapefruit soda. You can use Squirt, or you can use Fresco, or you can use, there's another one, but I'll talk about later. A pinch of salt, lime wedge. What else? Executive producers, Dennis and Lori, because Lori was in the last episode, but because chaos ensued, I missed it. It's there, all right here.
Awesome.
The instructions. You're gonna rim a highball glass. Oh, he did it.
He already did it.
He's the guy. He's here. Rim a highball glass with salt. Follow with tequila. He did
2 ounces from this. What you first have to do is find the smallest bottle of tequila that you can find.
Squeeze it. It'll fit in your pocket.
Look at that. Ian brought that with him. He was just like, oh, he's like, you guys are making Paloma?
Yeah,
he's like, I already got tequila.
Boom, and it happened. So you're just gonna put in your ice. You're gonna add your citrus. You're gonna add your tequila. Then you're gonna top it with your Fresco, your Squirt. The original recipe, I didn't put it in here. Okay, well there's the original. I can't remember the name of the brand, but there's a brand that usually goes with the original Paloma. There's probably
there's San Pellegrino grapefruit. There's
no, it was in Mexico. I think it was like a specific.
I'm telling you, Squirt. We go to one of the local Mexican restaurants and they use Squirt. And it's
don't use Sprite.
Fantastic.
It's not grapefruit.
No, it's not grapefruit.
And it's gonna be way too sweet.
Yes.
Some of them will come out pink. Some of them will come out clear. This one looks like it's a clear with almost like a weird white. Yeah, that's the color. So.
I haven't had Fresco in forever.
For your grapefruit, for your grapefruit soda, 6 ounces.
Or as much as you can get in there.
Or as much as you can get.
It's close to 6 ounces.
Oh my god.
Oh, weird. The tequila came back.
It's almost gone. Look at that.
That I was hoping you would finish it. You didn't finish it.
Sorry, bud.
This is La Santa. We did a review. I'll see if I can put it up there.
The Paloma's like by far
easy
summer drink. It's easy. It's fizzy.
Fizzy grapefruits.
Tastes good. You find the grapefruit soda that you like the best,
and just drink it.
You throw it in there. You will drink those all day, hot day, sitting on the porch.
2 ounces in each, all day.
All day.
Okay. My day's gonna be very short.
Yeah, don't be afraid. Yeah.
You drink this all day.
Doritos. Yes.
Doritos. That's it.
Yes.
Jarritos.
No, I'm telling you.
Jarritos. Right?
Sure.
Jarritos. It's
It's
J.
the other one.
It's Mexican. Right? Spanish. J is H.
Doritos.
Jarritos.
Doritos.
Jarritos. Hey!
It is very noisy in the background because there's a lot of people. For some reason, we have a live audience today.
So, simple drink. Tastes like grapefruit, tequila, and salt.
Easy.
Easy done.
Refreshing.
There's a lot of variety in these if you go to different places, because some places will actually add grapefruit juice to sweeten it up a little bit, which
Exactly.
can be pretty good.
I would rather have grapefruit.
This is like a...
Yeah, that's true. I found a lot of recipes.
It's like a vodka tonic, like a Tom Collins.
Yeah, Tom Collins.
With tequila.
It's a tequila Tom Collins. I like
Yeah,
it.
so you can do real grapefruit juice
Jose
and just
Collins.
regular, tonic water, seltzer water.
Right. Yeah, grapefruit and salsa water. That was the other recipe.
So it doesn't matter what you have, as long as you have some sort of grapefruit.
Yeah, there's a bunch
You
of
need to have
variations on that.
grapefruit's the key.
Yeah.
Paloma is
You're
grapefruit.
good.
When we make them at Dan's house, it's usually grapefruit juice and tequila because we don't have the tonic, soda.
It doesn't matter.
We're just like, hey, we got tequila, we got grapefruit, woohoo!
But the bubbles make it easy.
Oh yeah.
The bubbles make it easy to drink.
Champagne.
Makes it refreshing.
And done.
Jarritos.
Jarritos? Is that how you say it? So
It's easier to make than a margarita.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah.
Fuck the margarita.
Yeah, it's a built-in glass.
Paloma, new drink.
Family show.
Yeah. Don't listen to the background.
You can get these Chicago highballs at OzDrinks.com. Use coupon code March 18. Save 18% off, so you can use that to save yourself some money on your next set of glassware.
Do it!
I did it. You can always tip us if you don't want to use patreon.com/CMC like our executive producers, Dennis and Lori. You can always go to everydaydrinkers.com/tip, like the tip of the iceberg, and boom, dump yourself a tip.
Tip your bartender.
And you can always live stream when we're doing a live stream. You can always super chat, donate in there as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've never seen this before. You're like, well, this is fucking chaotic. Yeah, that's life. That's how things are. So you deal with it. That's it. Sidebar, two playlists. Course 1 and Course 2. Down below, what is that? Oh, it's bartender starter kit. So that
Is this on the recipe?
You can go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com.
Yeah.
To get the recipe for this, bookmark that shit so you can go make it with your buddies.
You have that in your back pocket, and your friends are like, oh, make me a drink, and you're like,
boom.
I got this shit.
I got that,
yeah.
And I got my recipe.
Exactly.
Done deal. We're teaching you how to drink.